Hello students, welcome to the next session of relation. In the last lecture we have done with the lattice. In this lecture we will cover introduction to Boolean algebra. See, Boolean algebra, it's a complemented distributive lattice having at least two elements and also having a greatest element and least element. We will define operations on Boolean algebra which are induced from the idea of GLB and LUB of lattice. Two binary operations are there, that is plus and dot. Now, where plus is the least upper bound, it is going to use a plus b, that is the LUB of a comma b. A dot b, that is GLB of a comma b. Now next we have the third one operator, that is complement. It is denoted by a dash or a bar. Now this is a unary operator. Let A be an element of a Boolean algebra. Now A dash plus A is equals to 1. A dash into A, that is equals to 0. The fact that complement exists is due to the definition of Boolean algebra, where we say that it is a complemented lattice. A complemented lattice means that any element has a complement, and complement means that when you take the disjunction or sum of that element, then you have the greatest element. When you take the conjunction or product, then you have the least element. Now, till now, we can conclude it that Boolean algebra, it's a lattice. Now, Boolean algebra, it also provides the operations and rules for working with the set 0, 1. The three operations recently we have studied. What are those operations? One is Boolean sum, second is Boolean product, third is Boolean complement. See, Boolean logic, not, it is denoted by a bar or a dash. See the example, find all pages that have the word cats but don't have the word dogs. When we want to find out the complement, cats not dogs, then only this one portion is there. Next is and is denoted by a dot. Now see, find all pages that have both the words cats and the word dogs. See, this is the portion only. Boolean or, find all pages that have the word cats and all pages that have the word dogs. So it is denoted by plus cats or dogs. So these are the portions. Now next is and, it is denoted by this one symbol, or is denoted by this one symbol. Note is denoted by negation of x. It is 1 minus x. See the Venn diagram, conjunction, that is and, this is the common portion, or all, that is disjunction, and last one is negation. Negation, if we want to find out for the one element, then that is 1 minus x. Next, the truth table of all the operators, that is and, 0, 0 is 0 and it is denoted by a dot. 0, 1 is 0, 1, 0 is 0, 1, 1 is 1. Next is for the or, final output is 0, 1, 1, 1 and not. 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0. Next, these are the laws. First one law is identity law, that is a plus 0 is a into 1 is a. Next is complement law, a plus a complement is 1, a into a complement is 0. Now some of the laws which we are going to study under Boolean algebra, that earlier we have also studied under set theory. So commutative law, that is same, we have studied earlier also. Associate is same, that we have studied under the set theory. Next is distributive, a into b plus c, that is ab plus ac. A plus b into c is a plus b into a plus c. Null element is a plus 1 is 1, a into 0 is 0. Now involution is a complement, again complement is a. Idempotency, that is a plus a is a into a is a plus a into b is a into a plus b is a. Distributive, A plus A complement B is A plus B. A complement plus AB is A complement plus B. Now A plus B complement is A complement into B complement. A into B complement is A complement into B complement. So that's what about the loss. Next, under Boolean algebra, our main task is to minimize the expression with the use of Boolean rules that we have studied recently. See the expression f is equals to a plus b plus c into a plus b complement plus c, a plus b plus c complement. Now see, what is the common term? A plus b, a plus b. So we are going to assume first x is equals to a plus b. Now replace x plus c dash. This term will remain same. Now what is the distributive law here? X plus cc dash. This term will remain same, a plus b dash plus c. Now cc dash is 0. So x plus 0 is x. This term is same. See, what we have assumed earlier, x, now we are going to put up that value, that is a plus b. So a plus b dash plus c. Now apply the distributive law. Distributive law, that is a plus bc is a plus b into a plus c. Now we have the two terms here, that is a, and here is also a. Assume this term as a common. Now the point is that a we can write out here plus b, yes, here, and this term is one common term, we are assuming it, that is here. So this is about the distributive law. So apply it, a plus b into b bar, just simply open it, plus bc. So b into b bar is 0, a plus bc. That is the final answer, final minimized expression. Next question is, minimize the following expression with the use of Boolean rules. So the question is a plus b complement, a complement plus b, a complement plus b complement. So combine first two terms, a plus b into b complement, a complement plus b into b complement. So combine it, that is 0, and this is also 0. So a into a bar, that is 0. So after minimization, our answer is 0. Now, in this lecture, we have done what is Boolean algebra. Under this, we have also studied how to minimize the expression. Now, in the next lecture, we will study about SOP and POS, that is sum of product and product of sum. Thank you very much.